Hi class, so this is how you will be setting up your layers. Okay, so by the way, layers is used to layer our lines. So we will be using the standard layers first. Okay, so the corresponding color here has its color reference here for the pen assignments, wherein red is 0.1, yellow is 0.2, green is 0.3, cyan 0.4, magenta 0.5, gray number 8, and gray number 9 is 0.05. Okay. So as you can see, you have your title block here. You have the standard preloaded layers. If you try to pull this down, okay, the active layers are the following. Okay, so if I highlight this, this would be the margin. Okay, if I highlight this would be the layer for the paper outline. Okay, and then if I highlight this would be text 4, and then this would be text 3, and then this would be text 4, text 2, and then this would be text 1. Okay, so please take note class. Okay, so to encode the layers, okay, for your use for the all the exercises, including the ones that I have given under the demo. Okay, so you make use of command DDL modes or try to select properties. Okay, so the properties of the layers are listed here. So to edit and add up layers, try to concentrate on these tools above. Okay, you have here creating a new layer, freezing a layer, okay, deleting a layer, and then setting a layer in current. Okay, so let's create a layer. Okay, first layer is L1. Okay, color here, red, assign red, click OK, and then continues for the line type. And then another layer, L2. Okay, now please take note when you create another layer, it adapts the previous layer above. Okay, so change it. L2 would be color yellow, which is 0.2, continuous line type. And next L3, okay, again, change color, green, click OK. And then line type is continuous. And lastly, L4, okay, color is cyan, which is 0.4, okay, and then click OK, and then line type is continuous also. And then we already have a preloaded dimension layer, which we will be using for dimension. And then we add up another set of layers, center, okay, center. Now color is gray number 8, so this is the color, gray number 8, okay, click OK. And then under line type, since this is center, we need to preload a line. So click here, continuous. And then try to look at your line types and then look at center 2. Kindly select center 2. Okay, since mine is already preloaded. Okay, so let's assume I selected center 2. We have there center 2. Okay, then select center 2, click OK. And then next we have hidden. Hidden. Also gray number 8. Okay, and then kindly select line type. Select from the preloaded, look for hidden 2. Okay, and then select. Okay, and then let's select hidden 2 here and then click OK. Okay, so more or less that would be the standard reference for our layers. Now, by the way, we can add up hatch because you will be needing this hatch, okay, on exercise 10 or 11. And then you revert back to continuous. And then just click OK. And then from there, you can close this. Now to check if the layers are preloaded, okay, so select this, pull down, and then you can see all the layers here, which you will be assigning or you will be needing for your exercise 4 to 11. Okay, so that is how you will be preloading the layers. Now take note, each of the layers must correspond to its layers property. Okay, so under layers, say for example, for layer margin, okay, if you highlight layer margin, it must be aligned with the properties here. Okay, so this is how I will be checking. If I turn off, say for example, text 4, all of the text 4 will be turned off. And then if I've turned off margin, say for example, I will be selecting margin. Okay, and then all of the margins will be turned off. Okay, so this is how I will be checking your layers if I will be selecting or checking your assignments on layers 1 to 4. Okay, so I hope this would be helpful for you as you continue with your assignment for the layers and properties for exercises 4 to 11.